Today we're at the track. It's a private track day rental.
Gang.
It's a private track day rental. Wyatt's out here. Daniel's out here.
And so is
His blue Civic SI.
piece of shit.
Wyatt's blackish Civic. And then also Carlos's all-motor hatch. It's the 4-piston setup. So we're gonna, I really came out here with Carlos, but everybody else is showing up. We're gonna hang out, have a good time, grill some shit, see if Carlos can run a 10 all-motor. It made 322, 324. Shut up.
Fuck you.
It made 324 on the dyno, all motor, up here in Colorado. Hopefully, it's sprinkling a little bit right now, but hopefully we're good. Even just a little bit, doesn't rain too bad. Gonna be a fun ass day. Wyatt's already stealing my ped. Dude, you did that when you jumped it. It's gonna be a fun day.
Look at this.
Hey, fool, so what'd you say is gonna happen?
I'm bog it.
Bog it?
Yes.
Dude, just slip the clutch, you'll be alright.
We'll be
See what Daniel
Damn.
does in his,
pile of shit.
yeah, his thrown together thing. Makes like what, 500 you said? 500?
No, it's like at 480. It's on the 480 too.
Oh, okay. Well, good luck. See if we can crack a 10 today. I don't know where Wyatt's bitch ass is, but
Yeah, where is he?
I don't know.
He doesn't want the cap or what?
Oh, them fighting words. Oh, it sounds sticky. Is the clutch messed up?
No.
Well, so we don't know what happened to Daniel's clutch, but it's messed up. So it's staying like engaged still, right? Or disengaged?
Engaged.
It's staying engaged still, so he bump started it with the starter and he's gonna drive back to the pit, see if we can like unstick the clutch from the pressure plate. And see what's up with Carlos's car too.
Got stuck?
Damn it, Aaron. What you guys doing?
Fixing a piece of shit. What are you doing?
Bleeding the clutch, see if it helps it.
Yeah.
You're adjusting it?
Yeah, we're adjusting it. Then we're gonna see if we can bleed it.
Get it, girl.
Yeah.
Get it. I said you bring some food, I'm hungry.
I brought food.
Free, bro. Damn, you're faster than me. What's up, dude?
JK.
Yeah, you probably had like a fucking 13, bitch.
15-0.
Damn!
That good shit.
That's sick, dude. Did you drive?
I swear,
Better than
dude.
a fucking failed air compressor, bro.
He brought, dude, he legit brought everything.
Self-reliant. Y'all should fucking take some notes.
Everything I need in my trailer.
Drove it here
Give me my backpack.
to the track. Drove it to the truck, gonna drive it back.
Yeah.
Decent.
Exactly.
Right after he runs a 9 in Carlos' car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna run a 6 in mine.
There you go.
China's probably bitching about the new earthquake that just started.
Bro.
We get it, bro.
Hey, how much freaking boost you trying to make?
5.
That's it? Why
I'm
is
trying to
this?
get it rowdy.
You guys about to race?
Yeah, I guess.
Decent.
Do it.
The shitbox race of the century.
Fuck, for real.
Wyatt versus Daniel. See what happens. .7 at 137. .6 at 120.
I told you.
Oh,
I got fucking walked, dude.
I thought-
I was like, I'm like, oh, fuck.
I thought you decent,
They
dude.
type it all up in the computer.
Well, so you figured out your clutch was wrong with the clutch, just needed adjusted?
Yeah, well, I adjusted
me to
it so
drive
it could be in the middle, but I think, like Izzy said, it was overextending. So now,
Oh.
you know how it was on the floor?
Yeah.
Well, we got to keep it on the floor.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Weird.
but now it's not doing it. You know, after
Okay.
burnout, it wouldn't let me go into gear.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Sick.
You don't think
So what happened that pass?
What happened? I don't know. What did happen?
You just need to. All you really need to change is just slipping the clutch, right? Just the launch.
Yeah, slip the clutch.
Yeah, right now. It's
Yeah.
Yeah, my 60 foot's pretty bad. It's like 1.8, no?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's still. Yeah.
It's done 164.
That's what I'm saying.
With me driving in it.
Yeah.
The RPM goes all the way down to 4 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah.
Oh shit,
It's easy dropping.
Yep. So you're full throttle shifting it too, right?
Yeah, that's
It
really
sounds
fun.
great.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Shifting sounds like you're not even using the clutch. That's great.
Dude's an all
Yeah.
car.
Sick.
Why ain't
Do
you
we need
So-
a strain gauge?
So next pass, you're just gonna try and slip the clutch a little bit more, and
Yeah, we're gonna try that, and if I need to learn how to do that, but if
Yeah.
I don't, if I can't get it like in this next couple passes, we're
Yeah.
gonna just turn up the tire pressure to get more wheel speed.
it's weird, dude. It's weird at first, but once you get it,
It's
it
because I
makes
haven't
sense.
felt it like how it's supposed
Yeah.
to feel like when I slip it, right?
Yeah.
So
just lightly slip it out, like
Yeah, this
just
last
ride
pass,
it out.
I was just trying to figure out if my launch control was working, which it was.
Yep.
So.
Yeah. It sounds really good.
And I need
It's got a
a-
low 11-second pass in it for sure.
It does.
For sure.
It does.
I'm
By the
excited
end
to
of
see what it
today,
does with the
hopefully.
launch. Dude, it sounds so good up top.
Does it?
Yeah, it sounds so good.
I mean, I'm in the car and it kind of just, you don't hear it very much because it's so loud.
Yeah.
But it does sound sick in the car
yeah.
though.
Hell yeah, dude. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Finally. Oh, and we did.
Oh, and the doors.
The other day, yeah, I didn't show these, but the other day we did put these. Shout out to
So-
Kyle. He let us borrow his shop and his MIG welder to put these quick latches, or what are they called? Quick latches?
Yeah, they're just Lexan window latch kit.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
And yeah, so before when I used to do passes, I could see the door just like doing this, like all through the pass, so I would
Yep.
try to hold on to it. So now with this, you just, I mean, it's pretty sturdy now, you know, it doesn't move at all.
Awesome. Hell yeah.
Thanks to Hayden for that.
Yeah,
He
it
kinda
was.
tried to kick his ass a little bit, but
Yeah,
he got
they were kind of a pain, but we got it figured out. So
Yeah.
sick. I'm excited, dude. We're gonna make some food and then get some
Yeah,
do some more
I'm hungry,
passes.
dude. I'm
Same.
starving, man.
Same.
This dad bod, bro, needs food. Everybody's got dad bod here.
Hey Wyatt.
What up, bro?
You hungry?
Dude, is it down to clock 30?
What?
Shit, yeah.
I don't.
Boys worried. Daddy Witt's here. Gonna make y'all some good lunch.
Do it.
Got cheese in there. Y'all want some cheeseburgers? Don't worry. Daddy Witt gonna fill all you little children up.
You better not kill me.
How many we making, brother?
All of them, as much as you can fit. Today at 137, 12.6 at 110. Fuck yeah! Got that thing down. Oh yeah.
They broke the big before he went.
12.4 at 121.
Was it?
So it stayed on launch, then it went away, and then
it went away. That's why I let go of it, and then I pressed the button again.
So you let go of it? Well, it went away because you let go of it.
Well, because I was revving it, but it wasn't like. Well, was it?
Yeah, it was fine the first time you got on it.
Yeah. That burnout was.
Sounds.
Yeah.
That burnout was fucking rowdy.
Yeah.
Burnout was great.
Yeah, it was fine.
Burnout was great.
It stayed in it a little longer, which is
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you clutched it all good.
Yeah, but I did. I mean, I bogged it again. I don't know.
Well, I mean,
But did you slip the clutch? Like, do you?
I mean, I tried.
Okay.
I don't know.
I mean, I think you did better.
I felt like it.
it
felt
was
like,
better. It looked better.
It looked better, but.
At 122. Alrighty, so they switched up to roll racing, and so I'm about to watch Wyatt roll race. It's a little late. Hopefully it comes down just a second. Oh shit, he's gonna get that GTR. An 8.8 at 137. Holy shit. So what happened?
121? 121? What does that mean? I don't
Money
know.
shift?
Something like that, yeah.
Got a little too excited or what?
Yeah, I was excited because, I mean, I felt like I was like ahead of him for a little bit. So I was like,
You were ahead of him for a while, bro. Like,
Yeah.
top track, I thought.
yeah.
Point of view.
Yeah, I
and
was
then
excited.
the nose dived all hard, and I saw you clutched it
Yeah.
and then put it back in third.
Yeah, I don't know,
I was
how,
like,
I don't
oh
know
shit.
how I did that, but I guess it fucking happens. So I
Got
don't
too
know.
excited.
Yeah, I
Oh, well.
was pretty excited because I was like, that car sounded pretty loud. Felt like he was trying to intimidate me, so I tried
All
mine not
noise,
to.
no, or all show, no go, baby.
Sounds like,
Well, this isn't even as much show.
It's all good. At
I
least,
know, it's neither.
At least you clutched
On the
it.
fucking thing.
yeah.
At least you clutched it and didn't hurt nothing.
Yeah,
hopefully,
I
so.
clutched it right away because I was like,
Yeah.
wait, what?
Yeah. Oh shit, it's a close race. Oh, you got a higher trap though. Damn.
That was good.
129 and 131.
You hear my shifts?
Yeah,
They're like, pop!
sounded good. It dropped 131, so you definitely got it to work.
Yeah. Hopefully the digs come back. I want to give them the gap.
They are. They're gonna start doing digs. That was a close ass race.
Bro, barely.
You barely got him, dude. You also only trapped 129, right?
No, 131.
131. Yeah, last pass you trapped 137.
I hope they. Well, dude, I fucking. The last like 100 feet of the track, I'm on limiter. So this time I
Oh,
went for fifth, and
Just worse.
even in drag racing, even on the digs, dude, the last 150 feet, I'm on limiter.
what's your limiter set at?
64 or 84.
Raise it to 88. It's got springs in it, don't it?
Huh?
It's got springs in it? Oh,
It's a stock hip with dual springs on the exhaust side, but they're just factory springs from the intake side.
send it, boy. 80. Dude, raise it a couple hundred RPM. Raise it to 86. 200 RPM is a big difference.
86.
Yeah,
Yeah,
try it.
I'll try it. I want to
worth
try.
it.
I want to do like one or two more digs.
Yeah, they're gonna do digs here just a second, I
Yeah,
think.
before they shut the track down tonight.
Yeah,
You down?
I'm down.
Fuck yeah.
11.7 at 120. 11.3 at 128 for Daniel.
What's up, bro?
¿Qué pasó? What happened?
The money team right here, bro.
that friend
Money
face
team,
off.
money shift.
Team Money Shift?
Team money shift, bro. Yeah, just money shifted it again. I don't know why I'm doing it, but
Practice makes perfect.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
the last time I ever did it. Gonna make that
There you go.
It's the last time.
last time, yeah.
So what, you just done for the day? We're gonna load it up and go home?
I'm not driving it again. Yeah, you can't drive with a messed up headlight. Driving that.
You should probably check the valve train too. You did
Yeah, no,
2-1-2-1.
I'm really concerned about the headlight though, you know?
Yeah, you 1-2-1'd it. Freaking Wyatt over here snapped an axle. So
And then what happened with Daniel's car? 'Cause
Daniel's
he didn't
car's in limp mode for some reason.
Oh no.
So it was a solid last hits for
It was to
everybody.
protect itself from doing something.
Yeah,
Probably, you know?
decent. It was still a fun day.
Yeah.
Decent. Hey, Ron. Got that Bluetooth
You got the Bluetooth drive shaft.
axle.
Fucking cocksuck, bud.
Dude, you were like not fit for YouTube. You were fit for like Adult Swim maybe.
My videos will be on Pornhub from here on out.
Oh gosh, here we go. Well then,
New
we're ready.
mechanics.
We're ready. Just film you later.
Hashtag demonetized. Turn it.
What are you guys doing?
Oh, he's got a bigger hammer.
Oh, here we go. Let her rip, baby.
I got a tool to take those off if you
Fucking
want.
grease everywhere.
He's got a tool and we're fucking with it. That's funny.
Oh, that
good.
fucker. Yeah. Oh, goddamn.
Oh! What the hell?
The solid stuff.
Was that hole there before?
Yeah, bro,
Oh my god.
Dude, I heard the thump.
Dude, put two hands on it.
Yeah, two-hand that. Oh god.
Dude, two hand that.
I can't 2 strikes and you're out, baby.
Oh.
God, just don't hit
go.
me. God. Oh, dude, it's getting there. Oh, dude, here we are. This motherfucker does not fucking come off.
Axle I've ever fucking seen, dude.
I thought those had like sequencers.
Oh, hey,
Decent.
we're driving home, boys. We're driving home. I'm gonna bring this in for my lifetime warranty. They're gonna be like, what the fuck happened, bro?
Alrighty guys, so we're about to head out of here. We're all loaded up. It was a fun ass day. Carlos got to do a lot of testing. Wyatt got to do a lot of testing. Daniel got to do a lot of testing. Figuring out weird little issues with their cars, so got it all set up. Should be a fun ass season with all these cars done. Later tonight, I think me and Wyatt are gonna go ahead and pull the motor out of the RX-7, see what happened to it. So we'll see how much energy I have. Next things I want to do in the RX-7 is put it back on the dyno, make less power, do like 15 pounds of boost, see what it does, 650-ish, somewhere in there. Leave the converter in it, get a Gen 4 bottom end for it, and then take it to the track, see what it does, and then get it ready for Street Car Takeover. That is in July, and just have some fun this season, guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.